Hey guys, what's going on? Jack Scalfani here, it's Cooking with Jack show. Welcome, first of all. Second of all, if you're brand new, feel free to subscribe to the show, hit the subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell because that'll let you know anytime I put a new video up, alright? We got a lot going on here. We're doing a chili, or I think it's crispy chili chicken. That's right. Crispy chili chicken, lots of ingredients. You'll see as I put it all together. There's stages. So there's the chicken, and then there's the chicken sauce, and then there's a stir-fry sauce. So there's two different sauces. So I don't know if the sauce for the chicken sauce, if we're marinating in it or not. I haven't read all the directions yet. But I'll show you on video, and I'll show you all the steps, and we'll try it out, and we'll see if it's any good. All right? You guys, by the way, I don't know what it is about this year, but it's going to be a good year. I don't know. Just have a feeling. All right, guys, so basically we got we're doing our chicken marinade sauce first, okay? So we're going to mix our marinade and then throw our chicken in and toss it in there, okay? So obviously, soy sauce is going to be the first to go into the marinade. So we'll dump that in. Okay. This is sesame oil. Put that in. A little thicker. Okay. This is ginger and garlic paste. Throw that in. And this is white pepper and sugar. We'll throw that in. And that is the chicken marinade we're going to mix up right now. Let's go get our whisk. Alright, let's whisk that all together. Okay, so I doubled the recipe because we got a lot more chicken. So I took chicken tenderloin and I cut them into small pieces like that. Little strips, little bite size. Okay, so you can cut yours up however you want. So we're going to put this in here for a little bit. I'm probably not using all this chicken because we have a ton of chicken. So maybe I'll have some for lunch. So now we're going to put together our stir fry. So let's see what we got here. Here we go. We're going to start with our soy sauce. Then we're going to add some honey to this. Ew. Alright, then we're going to throw in a little sriracha. Then a little lemon juice. Alright, so then we're going to mix this up. Okay, this is your stir-fry sauce. Any of these would be amazing on wings, chicken breast, anything. But the chicken is marinating right now. So we will leave that there. Put this off to the side. As you can see, we got a big container of chicken marinating in its sauce. We've been tossing it around every few minutes to get it fresh. Oh, it smells amazing. So the next thing we're going to do, we're adding in 1 egg white into this mixture with the chicken that's being marinated and an egg white. So we're pouring that in. There we go. Okay, add a little bit of corn flour to this mix. There we go. Get this all tossed again. Get it all nice and coated. Pour in your vegetable oil. You don't need to fill the whole pan, just maybe an inch or two. Just enough to submerge the pieces of chicken into. Okay guys, as this oil's heating up, I want to tell you exactly what we're going to do. We're going to double fry these. Never double fried. It seems to be a new concept for me. But like, remember poutine that Canadians do with the gravy on the French fries and the curds, cheese curds? Okay, well they double fry their fries to make them crispier. So we're going to double fry the chicken, put it over here. Well, we're going to fry it, put it over here, put put it back in again. So we're going to double fry each of our chickens in the oil. So the first one, 1 to 2 minutes, then set it on a plate. 1 to 2 minutes, get it all done, then bring them all back into the oil again and give them another hit. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to take this one right here and show you. Put those in. Let that fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Pull it out, put it on the plate, put another one in. Of course, I'm just going to fill this thing up. So, okay, I am about done with the last, this is the last batch right here. Then I'm going to put these back in the oil and into that clean bowl over there. So they'll be double crispy. All right, I cannot begin to tell you how beautiful double frying is. I'm going to double fry everything from now on. I've never done this. All right, here we go. Let's see what we do. So let's first, we need like about, just like a little bit of oil in there. I'm taking out of the oil we just used. A little bit more of your ginger garlic paste. Then remember that stir fry mix we made? Pour that in. And thicken that up just a little bit. Then we're going to throw the chicken in once we're done. So, but basically, once it starts going, we're going to add the chicken in, toss it all up, and then serve it up. Can you see that? See that? That looks beautiful. That dish, this is a home run recipe right here. So, I'm making this again. This was so easy and it came together so quick. Got the chicken, crispy chicken in the stir fry and it glazed over beautifully. I mean, look at that. Basically, I got grease stains all over my shirt. So now I have a chance to try that spot remover stuff, the Power Wash and Grandma's Secret spot remover to see which one to get the grease stains out. So anyway, let's try this out and see how it is. I already know, I already took a taste off my fingers when I was making the sauce and cooking, and wow, amazing. I can't imagine the chicken being crispier than it is. The double crispy is my new thing. I didn't know you could do it was a thing until I did that. No, my mouth's watering. Until I did that poutine video, I didn't know you could double fry, and I didn't realize the benefit until today that double frying may be a regular thing I might do. It's a home run. I love it. But a lot of you said, oh, well, that's great that you love it, but we don't know what it tastes like because you're watching. So there's a little tanginess off the citrus. There's a little glaziness and a great kind of sesame oil flavor. If you've ever had sesame seed oil, it's amazing. It totally brings it out. A little tangy from soy sauce, so it's crunchy, it's tangy, a little sweet from the sugar and honey. Every type of flavor is in there. Guys, I hope that explained it a little bit better. I don't just say they're good when they're good. I'll tell you they're crap or they're just okay or too salty or whatever. This one came out great. I can't wait till Tammy tries this. So I love you guys. Let me know if there's something else you want me to do. All right? Take care and I'll see you on the next episode.